Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check this out. Behind me is a 4Runner foreskin. That's what I used to call them. But anywho, I'm not going to get into that. Whatever. It's a funny little joke, inside joke, but who cares? This, my friends, is a 2018 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4x4. It's a 4.0 liter V6 engine, premium, leather, loaded, you name it, it has it. Let's go through the details real quick. First thing, as you can see, obviously everything I buy and I try to get is lifted, modified in some way, shape, or form. This one happens to be exactly that. It's from Dallas, Texas. Bought it out of Dallas, Texas. It's got a set of fuel, gold or bronze, the new age style stuff, bronze fuel wheels on it. And wrapped around those beautiful wheels are a set of NITTO Ridge Grappler 285/70 17-inch tires. They got pretty damn good tread on them, if you ask me, probably 90%. The underside is super clean, no rust. There's your leveling kit right there. It's got a little spacer in there. It's probably a 2-inch. And underside, it's kind of wet, so I'm gonna try to get down. But anywho, as you can see, super duper clean. You got a little skid plates, all the essentials right there for the Toyota. It's got some aftermarket little amber running lights on there. If you decide you wanted to connect them, that's what they're there for. Look cool, little accent kind of thing going on. No rubbing, full turn right, full turn left. SB rugged sway bar or rugged step rails, super clean and flush. It just blends well. The fender flare comes down. The fender flare comes down here, tapers off to the step rails, Nerf bars, whatever you want to call them, goes back up. It's just a clean looking vehicle. Rain guards, turn signals incorporated into the mirrors, 20% window tint, SR5, blacked out emblems. Here's the rear. We'll show you guys underneath of it. Let's hike up the skirt real quick. Okay, here we go. Underside, super clean, little exhaust tip. The cool part about this, whoever the previous guy owned it, was they put a backup light, huge LED solid backup light, incorporated into the back bumper. So when you're backing up, the worst thing I hate is backing up and not being able to see. So right here, LED light bar in the rear, boom, and you put another light bar switch here. If you decide to put a light bar in the front, there it is. So there you have it. It's really clean, this car, super clean. Open the back right here, you got a backup camera, all the rugged Husky liner floor mats and Oedro all-weather floor mats up front. Not a third row seat, it's a 4Runner. So, oh, did I shut it good? Yeah. Moving around to the back side over here, it's just a clean, everything's so clean. You got a few small scratches right there, you can barely see it. But I mean, God, it's just it's a well taken care of SUV, and it smells super clean inside. Not overbearing, but just clean enough to where you know nothing's been sat in here and everything is super duper clean. Everything works. There's the all-weather floor mats on the rear. Also too, here's the door jambs. We're gonna try to get a VIN sticker for you. Let's see real quick. Put this mat up. There we go. There's the seats. Underneath the seats, you can see super clean. These fold down to get a full-fledged space in there. Here's the VIN number right here. There you go. There's the VIN number. The door jambs are clean. Everything is in great shape. The miles, let's check out the miles. There's the Oedro, I call them Oreo all-weather floor mats. This company actually reached out to me and wanted me to sponsor a few of their things, which I did before. So I hope you guys are doing great out there, Oreo. Power out, there's a shout out to you. It's gonna connect to Bluetooth, so I'm gonna try not to do it too fast. Toyota, it has 61,694 maintained miles on it. Backup camera, virtually the backup camera, my Bluetooth's gonna ruin this video. Watch, ready? Boom, backup camera. All right, I hate when the Bluetooth kicks on. Anyways, you got all your traction controls up here, all your buttons. The cool part about that I did, I'm proud of, check this out. I put a beautiful carbon fiber, or mock-up carbon fiber, bezel around here. Beautiful, and here. Look how nice that looks. I mean, it just accents it super clean and crisp. I didn't put one right here because I wanted to break it up a little bit. So nothing here, bezel here. It just looks really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. You got all the controls on the steering wheel right here. Let's pop the hood and check out the power plant. getting into it, here's the key, the lug key right there to undo the wheels. This is all your factory stuff. Here's your glove box with the nice brushed nickel accents. Inspected directly at the Toyota dealership right there. So all the oil changes and fluids and recalls have been done. Nothing, no corners have been cut. I mean, this thing just speaks for itself. I can't stop bragging about it. If you guys want more information, I'm not going to waste your time on boring you with the video. So there's the power plant, 6-cylinder engine. So let's get to it. Let's really get to it. So here's the part you've been waiting for. Ready? Contact info, Mark. Yep, contact info. So here it is. If you guys have any questions about this gorgeous 2018 Toyota 4Runner, there's the seats, by the way. I forgot to show you the two-tone seats, leather. It looks like nobody's even sat in these damn things. It's absolutely stellar. Really is. So I hope I didn't bore you guys so far. Did I bore you guys already? No? Power seats? Yeah, let's just keep on moving. So if you guys have any questions about this, call 540-898-3025 is the main number, or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. We also have a Facebook group too. You can check that out, or you can call me directly on my cell phone during normal working business hours, Monday through Friday, 540-848-2974. Hope you guys are doing great. Check this one out. Share the videos. Give me a thumbs up if you could. That'd be helpful. Hope you guys are doing great. See you. Bye.